So I'm going to let my dad here explain exactly what we're doing. So come on.
We are going to change distributor cap and stuff.
What's up, you? You're actually slapping me.
I can do this all day.
You're actually slapping
I
me.
can do this all day.
What's up, YouTube? So today we're actually going to be doing an HEI tune-up on the Corvette. So let's get started. So as you can see there, we got a spark plug wire that's arcing over to the actual valve cover because we had one lay up against the exhaust manifold. Which one? No. One up against the valve cover. Yeah. So what we're going to go ahead and do is replace the entire distributor cap along with all the plug wires, since we know the cap is ages old. To put kindly, I guess. At least 12 years old. At least. Right. And anything else to add, Father?
No.
Okay. Well.
I saw it once already.
Gotta know where the ground straps go. Yeah, cool. It's pretty rough. doing a Jeg kit. Jegs? Is it called Jegs or Jag?
Jegs.
Jegs. We're doing a Jegs HEI upgrade kit. And so we're trying to figure out which springs to use. We went with the black ones because that's kind of the middle ground. Should be a safe bet, I think. If not, we may wind up having to swap them out later once we figure out what the heck they mean. But so far, we got all the weights in. We have a coil installed. Next, we're going to be putting in the ignition module. So we got to put down the little silicone thermal paste and then put that in and put all the wires to that.
That is.
But yeah, so. So we just got the distributor cap and everything in the car. Now all we gotta do is the plug wires. Just finished up with the distributor cap upgrade. Shout out to Jegs, they did a pretty good job on that kit. And so, anything to add?
Nope, pretty straightforward kit. Just put the distributor in there, put the new ignition module. The only problem we had was with the ignition timing, the advanced springs. We didn't know exactly which one to go with, so we just took the middle of the road. That's about it.
Alrighty, so that's the end of the video for today. So we will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye!